So I never thought it was possible, but there is apparently an app on the Google Play Store which lets you identify plants, flower trees, and more. The app is called PlantSnap, and it's available for free on the Google Play Store. Currently, the app has more than 10 million downloads, and its current rating is at 3.9. Now, I don't consider myself a plants guy. However, I do have these succulents at home that I love very much, but I don't know what kind of plant they are. So I'm gonna use the app PlantSnap to figure out exactly which species of plants they are. And here is how the app works. You open the app, and it straight away takes you to the camera option, and let's say I want to identify this plant that I see on my camera right now, and I'm gonna take a snapshot. So let's go with that. Once I take a snap, I need to select the area in which my plant is. So let's do that. And then I'm gonna select on done. Now once I do that, it will tell me exactly which plant it is. And it says it is Crassula ovata tricolor. Now an interesting thing that I noticed is that when I try to take the picture of the same plant again, and I try to see which type of plant it is, it actually came out as 7 stars. And the plant doesn't look anything like that. So I'm not exactly sure how accurate the results are with the app, but let's try out with another plant that I have, or a succulent. So let's try this one, and I'm gonna take a snap of it and then select the area. And this one came as a Puntia elata. Okay, I'm like, when I look at the picture of the plant, which is this one, it doesn't exactly look like a Puntia elata, so I'm not exactly sure. And let's try with the third succulent that I have. So I have the succulent with me, and snap. Now I'm trying to exclude the area for the other plant because that might confuse the app. But let's see what happens now. So this one, it says it's copper spoons, and there's like a green texture that I see on this picture, but when I compare it to my plant, I don't think they are actually the same plant species. So I think the results for the app are like arbitrary. It does need a little bit more accuracy as to telling me which exact species it is. The app for me failed to identify any of the 3 succulents properly, because the image never matched the one like when I compared it to the plant, as I can see. If you have tried out the app, let me know through comments how it worked for you. And thank you for watching this video.